Hi, this is the level 4 lesson for Unit 11, Lesson A. And these people are each talking about 6 changes in society. So you will listen to each of them speak, and you will number each of these issues and match it with the conversation above.
Page 108, Unit 11, Trends. Lesson A, Trends in Society. 1. Getting started. B. Listen. Which of the issues above are the people talking about? Number the issues 1 to 6.
What social changes have you noticed recently? 1. Jake, New York City.
A lot of people are obsessed with losing weight and eating healthy foods, so the fast food chains have been forced to change their menus. Now you can get salads and healthy stuff there, as well as burgers and fries. And that's a good thing because obesity has become a big problem.
2. Letitia, Detroit.
Well, people are talking about losing their jobs. In many places, unemployment is going up, and a lot of people have been laid off. And that's partly because their jobs are being outsourced to workers in other countries.
3. Daniela, Monterey.
I think, like everywhere else, the main thing is the spread of technology. I mean, almost everyone I know has a cell phone now, and wireless internet access is being made available in more and more places.
4. Somchai, Bangkok.
We have a lot of problems with traffic congestion. Fortunately, a lot of new highways have been built, and there's a new monorail, but the problem hasn't been completely solved, so commuting can still be a real problem.
5. Oliver, Manchester, UK.
Well, young people are still being encouraged to go to college, which is good. It can be tough, though, because tuition fees have just been increased, and we're not being given enough financial support.
6. Ivan, Moscow.
Well, with the economic boom in recent years, one thing here is the shortage of skilled labor. There's a big demand for that now. So skilled workers are being recruited overseas, and then they're being brought in to fill the jobs.
And then you will have written the numbers here in the book. And when you're ready to check, continue the video. So these are the topics of the 6 people's talk above. And then for this next part, you will look at the sentences and then look in the reading above, and you will rewrite the sentences to show how the people above express the same ideas. And after you've written the sentences, continue the video to check. These are the answers that you should have, and they introduce the grammar point on the next page about using the passive form of present continuous and present perfect. After you review this information, you will look at the underlined verbs and you will rewrite the sentences to put them in the passive form of either present perfect or present continuous. And then when you're ready, play the video to see the answers. These are the sentences that you should have. And then The next part is reduction in auxiliary verbs. So let's listen and repeat the sentences above, being sure to reduce these words like they're shown on the right.
Page 109. 3. Speaking naturally. Reducing auxiliary verbs. A. Listen and repeat the sentences above. Notice the reduction of the auxiliary verbs.
The education system's being reformed.
The education system's been reformed.
A lot of new schools are being built.
A lot of new schools have been built.
And for the next activity, you will also listen, complete these sentences, and think about whether these things are true in your country or whether they are good ideas.
Page 109. 3. Speaking naturally. Reducing auxiliary verbs. B. Listen and complete the sentences. Are they true in your country? Are they good ideas? Discuss your views with a partner. 1.
More women are being encouraged to train as science and engineering teachers.
2.
Bilingual programs are being offered to elementary school students.
3.
Students are being required to do community service.
4.
Education has been given more funding.
5.
Technology's been introduced into more classrooms.
6.
Courses are being made available for more people in the community.
Listen again if you need to, and then when you're ready, continue the video to see the answers. These are the answers that you should have, and that's it for this lesson. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.